Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, mid-market companies need an ERP that's powerful, flexible, and easy to scale. Infor delivers exactly that. Let's break it down. Infor combines finance, supply chain, manufacturing, and customer management in one unified platform. It gives real-time insights, automates workflows, and helps teams stay aligned across departments. Its industry-specific solutions and cloud-based design make it perfect for businesses that need enterprise-level tools without the complexity of traditional ERPs. Infor helps mid-market companies streamline operations, reduce errors, and make smarter decisions faster. If you want a robust ERP tailored for mid-market businesses in 2025, Infor gives you control, clarity, and scalability. Don't forget to like it and subscribe and hit the bell for more reviews.